Hello and welcome fans, our YouTube channel Technical Expert Hackers welcome you second class of IP address. Fans, if we will talk, this class is related to our previous class, and if you are seeing this video first time, then please also see our previous videos to understand this topic clearly. Fans, in this class we will discuss about the secret behind 127.0.0.1. What is this? And this is called the local host. So fans, there is a amazing story behind this, and if we will discuss about IP address, and here you can easily notice that when I tell you about the IP address classes, here is 127 is missing. Fans, here you can easily see 128 and that is 126. So where is 127? So fans, 127 is a local host, and this IP address is reserved for testing and diagnostic purpose. Fans, this is also called the home of hackers. Fans, for understanding this term, let's we can take an example. Mostly of us, whenever we need of hacking practicals, so where there is a question arise, then where I took place of my hacking practicals. So there is different answers, like you have to use multiple computers, and if you have only one computer, then uh, how to practicals related to your hacking classes. So friends, if you want to do practice of your hacking classes, then there is need of a second computer or a target computer. If you don't have a target or second computer, then you can also use your own computer, like for practice purpose. So friends, 127 is a place which is reserved and which is used for testing and diagnostic purposes. So friends, in this video we will understand how this loopback address is work and how to activate this kind of the facility. So friends, uh, if you want to activate this kind of the activity, then there is a procedure. We will understand about all of this practically step by step. So for that, you have to click on start and go on control panel, and here you have to click on program and features. Just you have to search program and features. Friends, here you have to click on turn Windows features on or off. Just click on Windows feature on and off, and here you can see the Windows feature. Or this will take a little bit time for coming, all the features are coming. So here you have to click on IIS, Internet Information Services, and second is Internet Information Services Hostable Web Co. So friends, if you want to activate this, just you have to click on IIS, Internet Information Services, then click on OK. Friends, this will take a little bit time to configuring and activating this feature. Friends, this feature is also important because if you want to give the final action of your hacking tricks, then you can use this kind of the practicals on the address, on your loopback address. So this is the way by which we can activate this feature in our own computer. And here friends, mostly of the website developer use this kind of the facility loopback address for testing their websites, and some hackers also use this address uh, for their practical purpose. So this is very important to know about the loopback address, or we can say the hackers favorite place where they can where they can act just like a hacker. So if this is the easily understandable, friends. If I am just practicing on a net, then that is not harmful. If I am practicing in playground, that may be harmful, because playground is not for practicing, that is for taking the actions. So here you can understand the 127 .0.0.1 is just like for just like is a place where hackers practice their on attacks. So this is very important feature for all the hackers and ethical hackers. So friends, when this feature will be activated, so fans, the feature is activated. Then how we know that feature is working or not? For knowing that, you have to go in computer, click on my computer, click on C drive, and fans, here you can see a different folder which was not present. So here is a option inet pub. Fans, this folder is created because you have activated the service of loopback address. So friends, this is a www root temp logs history, everything is stored here. If you will practice, and if you want to download your offline website, then you can put your website here. So, this folder is showing that the service is activated in your computer. So friends, if you want to run that loopback address on your computer, then how it is possible? So for that, you have to click on any one of your browser and just type 127.0.0.1 or localhost, then press enter. Friends, if the service is activated on your computer, then this will shows like this. So friends, this is showing that the service is activated on your computer. Hope so friends, you like these videos. If you want such kind of the videos related to ethical hacking and lots of hacking tricks, so please stay connected us on our YouTube channel, Technical Expert Hackers. Thank you friends, goodbye.